Hello students and welcome to Davy Moyle Public School. Let's begin in online classes of standard 6th subject mathematics, and I am your mathematics teacher Mrs. Vandana Ghagre. Today my dear students, we are going to study new lesson, that is unit 2, factors and multiples. And today we will only see what do you mean by the factors. So let's see. We have studied in the previous standard about factors. Let us recall them once again. Factors. A factor of a number divides the number exactly with 0 as a remainder. Means when you divide any number, then the remainder is 0. It means the divisor is said to be the factor of the dividend. See here. The factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Means when you divide 12 by 1, remainder is 0. When you divide 12 by 2, again the remainder is 0. When you divide 12 by 3, again the remainder is 0. Therefore, these numbers are the factors of 12. The factors of 15 are, means 15 is the number which is divisible by 1, 3, 5 and 15. Now, if you want to factors of 7, 7 is divisible by only two numbers, that is 1 and 7. Factors of 11 are 1 and 11. So these are the different factors of different numbers. The factors means the number which divides number exactly with the 0 as the remainder. In the above example, if we observe the factors, some numbers has more than two factors. Example 12 and 15, they have more than two factors, and some has only two different factors, 1 and the number itself. Example 7 and 11. Based on this, we can divide the number in two categories. One is composite numbers and second is prime numbers. So let's see, what do you mean by composite numbers and prime numbers? Composite numbers. A number which has more than two different factors is called composite numbers. Example 4, 6, 8, 9, 12, 15. These numbers has more than two factors. Therefore, these numbers are called composite numbers. And prime number means a number which has only two different factors. Remember, only two different factors. 1 and the number itself is called the prime numbers. Example 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 are the prime numbers. If you will see, these numbers has only two factors, that is 1 and the number. Now let's see something more about the factors. One is the factor of every number, means any number divisible by 1, you will get the remainder as 0. Every number is a factor of itself. Two prime numbers whose difference is 2 are called twin prime numbers. Remind, here we are dealing with the prime numbers only, not composite numbers. Two prime numbers. If you are taking two prime numbers and its difference is 2, that type of numbers are called twin prime numbers. And the two numbers are said to be co-prime numbers. Now co-prime number means it may be prime or it may be composite numbers. When they have only 1 as a common factor, then that two numbers are called co-prime numbers. They may be prime or they may be composite numbers. So let's see, what do you mean by twin prime numbers and what do you mean by co-prime number by examples. Twin prime numbers. Two prime numbers whose difference is 2 are called the twin prime numbers. So let's see some examples. Here 5 and 3. 5 and 3 are the prime numbers, and if you will take their difference, it comes 2. So they are the two twin prime numbers. 41 and 43 are also the prime numbers and the difference is 2. 7 and 5 are the prime numbers, their difference is 2. 19 and 17 are also the prime numbers and their difference is 2. So this type you can find out many more, my dear students. So this type of number who are prime and also their difference is 2 is called the twin prime numbers. Let's see co-prime numbers. When the two numbers have only 1 as a common factor, then that numbers are called co-prime numbers. For this we will have to see the factors. See here, 19, as it is a prime number, its factors are 1 into 19. So the factors of 19 are 1 and 19. Now 20. 20 is a composite number, so it has more than 2 factors. So you can write 20 as 1 into 20, 2 into 10, 4 into 5. So the factors of 20 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. So if you will observe the factors of 19 and factors of 20, in both the factors only 1 is common. So these two numbers are called the co-prime numbers. So when the two numbers have only 1 as a common factor, these type of numbers are called the co-prime numbers, because if you see the example, only among the common factors only 1 is common in between the two. Therefore 19 and 20 are the co-prime numbers. Now see some examples. Here we have to check whether the given numbers are composite numbers or prime numbers. Composite means more than 2 factors and prime number means only 2 factors, that only we have to remind it. The numbers are 36 and 13. Here the factors of 36 are 1 into 36, you can write it as 2 into 18 also, 3 into 12, 4 into 9, 6 into 6. So the factors of 36 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36. And therefore 36 is a composite number. Why? Because it has more than 2 factors. If you see the second example 13, the factors you can write down as 1 into 13 only, means the factors of 13 are 1 and 13, and therefore it has only 2 factors, that is 1 and the number itself, and therefore 13 is a prime number. So easy, my dear students. So this shows you how to identify the composite numbers and prime numbers by finding the factors. So my dear student, it's time for an assignment. Today you have learnt about the composite numbers, prime numbers, factors, co-prime numbers and twin prime numbers. Now it's time to check your understanding. So here you have to solve the questions. State whether the following numbers are composite numbers or prime numbers, and the numbers are given here as shown. And also you have to write down all the prime numbers between 1 to 100. So think and start writing. Thank you. Have a nice day.